Hey guys, today I'm going to be filming my simple, fun, casual makeup look, and this happens to be what I am going to be wearing on my flight into the airport. So I'm just gonna go ahead and get started. So I'm going to start off, and by the way, I've already put on my moisturizer and my primer as well. So I'm going to be starting off with the Dream Liquid Mousse foundation in the shade Sandy Beige. So I'm just going to pump some. Just going to use my hands. This is a quick look, so usually when I'm doing quick makeup, I find it easier to just use my hands rather than use any tools with my foundation. So now that that's on, I'm going to be using my Bye Bye Under Eye by It Cosmetics in the shade Medium Tan. And I think I'm going to be doing a review on this soon, just because I have heard so many mixed reviews from this, and so I just want to do my own opinion and have you guys see what I think. Also, I'm kind of looking up because I have to look somewhat at the mirror. And so this, like, literally a tiny bit goes a long, 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 long way. So I'm just blending it out. And I know a lot of people who use this concealer use their fingers to blend it out anyways, just because it is kind of like a very thick product, and so it's really good to kind of thin it out using the heat of your fingers. I like to just kind of put a couple layers on to make sure that it stays. Okay. So now that that's on, I'm going to be using my Fit Me Maybelline powder in natural beige. So I just use a powder brush for this. Just kind of get some product, tap off the excess, and just put it on. And honestly, the powder part is one of my favorite parts of my makeup routine because I feel like it just allows everything to kind of stay on. Just put as much as I feel like I need. And this kind of helps to control my oiliness throughout the time too. Okay, next I'm going to be using my Tarte Amazonian Clay 12-Hour Blush in the shade Ornate, which this is one of my favorite blushes. It really does for me last a really long time, and so I love that. So I'm just gonna smile, put some on my cheeks. Yay! And then last but not least, I'm going to be putting on some mascara, and I'm going to be using the Benefit They're Real mascara, which I really like. It's not my favorite mascara, but I do like it. And then I'm using my little mirror from my NARS blush to see. And I kind of go overboard when I put on mascara. I kind of like to layer it on and make sure it really stands out. It's hard to put on blush and talk at the same time. And here we have it. I usually do this look if I am wanting to wear makeup to class, which isn't that often, or if I'm just going to the store, running to the store super quick and I want to wear makeup. And like I said, I'm wearing it today to the airport just to look a little bit more alive, but still not have too much makeup on. And I really feel like it does look pretty good, and it kind of makes me look awake, but it's not too much. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said in my last video, I am flying out today out of the country, and so I probably won't be posting another video for a little bit, but when I am back, I will definitely get back on it. And like always, please comment, like, subscribe, and let me know what you guys would like to see in the future. And yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this. Bye.